So I'm in Songmaker in the Chrome Music Lab, and today we're going to make a song. So the first thing I actually need to do though is go to Settings, the little gear, and I only need to change one thing. I want to change the scale. Instead of being major, we're going to write in pentatonic today. Remember, that means 5 notes and we have a skip in there. We're skipping over Fa and we're skipping over T. We don't need those in our song. So once scale says pentatonic, it's the only thing I need to change. I'll click the check to save it. And then here's what everything means. The dots on the bottom are the rhythm. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different measures. And I can tell they're different because this one is white, this one is gray, this one is white, this one is gray. And within each measure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. Each one has 4 beats. So I can see that's what's happening down here, okay? Now I'm going to erase these now that you know it, because I'm going to change my rhythm a little bit later. But I like a sound, that low sound at the beginning of every beat, so I'm going to keep those. The boxes up here are pitch. And once again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 measures that I can write in. And within each measure, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats again. So I'm going to make all of these match. If I press play, I can hear those 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can, sometimes if there's a little gap here, you know, in a beat, it's nice to fill it. So I'm going to add a little rhythm here. I like to make the patterns the same in almost every measure, maybe the last one sometimes. It's fun to make it a little bit different. So here we have this. I'm also going to fill in after these beats 2, 3. These are 8th notes now. If they're right next to each other like that, and I can actually fit 8 eighth notes in each measure. So I'm going to add this pattern. Whoops. I'm going to make the pattern the same in every measure for starters, and then I'll change it later. So if I press play, and so you can see by filling in and changing the rhythm, making that different than my melody, I get a couple different rhythms happening between the melody and this rhythm section, and I kind of like how they work together. Now I can change the sound too. I can make the rhythm be congas instead, and then this be the piano or strings. Okay, so another thing that we can do is we can add an octave higher. I can do more with the melody. So there's like a dividing line in the middle, and up on the top, it plays all the same notes, except it plays them an octave higher. And I'm just going to have some fun with it. I like to play with patterns and repeat things, and then go back and then I like to change it in the last measure. So let's see what this sounds like. Now, when I've made all the patterns that I like and I'm ready to share it, then I can press the Save button here. And what that does is it creates a link for me. You can highlight it and copy, paste, or I'm just going to take this copy link, and then you can go right into Seesaw and upload it as a link. That will share it with me so that I can look at your song and listen to it as well, so I can see and hear all of the patterns that you made.